Hello, all. This is Hope Hubbard. I am a nurse now for 11 years. Most of my practice experience has been in the emergency department. I have had the great opportunity to serve in cardiac nursing. I have floated to units including oncology, neurology, and ortho. And with each of those practices, I learned that we will never know all of what exists in nursing unless you do start as a baby. I didn't start as a baby, I started out in nursing a little later in life. And I am grateful that I made the decision to do this. And I certainly am overjoyed and thankful for the opportunity to participate in this master's program in nursing education because I love teaching. I absolutely try to grab at every opportunity I can to assist all of my coworkers where I can. When new hires come on, I absolutely love being able to preceptor. I thoroughly enjoyed the preceptor program that we have set up at my current um, job. It was very thorough, it was well organized, well presented. It offered a lot of much needed feedback for someone that is interested in teaching. It gave us the opportunity to look at things in a different manner, how to handle difficult situations on the job, and how to direct people that are up under us that are babies coming into nursing, as well as those that have experience in nursing, just not experience at the facility that we work at. And so I think that we each, as the years go on, try to figure out what it is that we can do to progress or contribute more to the field of nursing. This has been a great career opportunity for me, and I certainly hope to pass this opportunity on to others and to show them that there is a lot that we can do as nurses to contribute to the health and well-being of individuals, and that as we grow, that we should seek other opportunities to grow in other areas of nursing. So I share with my coworkers that I am in school now because I try to encourage them to do more because I work with a great group of individuals. I thoroughly believe that. I thoroughly believe that each of them um, brings something different that we need and just provides a total experience for every patient that comes into the emergency department. So we work well as a team, and I absolutely hope that I am able to pass this on to my students that this does not work if you can't work as a team, that you need to be able to collaborate with other areas of in healthcare as well as those above you, to be comfortable speaking with them, talking with them, finding new ideas, getting education, understanding of what you're doing and how it affects the individuals that you come into contact with while they're in your care. And that you should take every opportunity that you can to be teaching your patients while they're in the acute care setting, or whether they're in the inpatient setting or outpatient setting, that they need something from us that they're not getting, and we need to be able to figure it out so that they don't keep being admitted for the same thing over and over again. And of course, you're going to run into patients that are not open to education because they are just set in their ways and they don't really know any other way. And they're comfortable with where they're at. And we have to be accepting of where each individual is. I don't have a lot of experience with online education per se, other than online education that I've done, and I was absolutely terrified to do online education, considering I feel like in the classroom, I feel like I am more involved and I can contribute more and I'm more apt to be focused in the classroom setting. So it's a challenge for me doing online education, but I welcome the challenge. And so I look forward to working with each of you guys over the next few weeks or the next few years. I, I'm in my third semester here at UNC Wilmington, and I certainly look forward to the next few semesters there. So thank you, and I wish each of you well.